A lot of users are complaining about the battery drainage and the heating issue on Vivo T3 5G smartphone. Using some simple methods, you can save your battery and you can also reduce the heating issue on your T3 5G. The first you need to do is to turn on dark screen. If you turn on dark screen, it will save your battery. As it is an AMOLED display, it will consume less battery in dark mode. Then you have to search Wi-Fi scanning, and after that you can see that Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning is on. You have to turn it off because you don't need all the time Wi-Fi scanning. It will run in the background and consume a lot of battery, and also it will increase the heating issue. So you should turn off these things. Number 3 you have to do is to turn off the locations. If you don't need locations all the time, keep it turned off. It will save batteries. Number 4, you have to go to settings and enter into the battery section. In the battery sections, you can see that some apps are running in the background, and there are 3 options. Let me turn off the dark mode. Here are many options, so you have to click on the right option to conserve your battery and also decrease the heating issue. You can see here that smart control is enabled, so you don't have to worry about it. Go back and then come down and open the apps. On YouTube you can see that the unrestricted mode is enabled, so you have to click on optimized or restricted. The best option is the optimized option. In the restricted mode, background running will be off, so I suggest you to keep it optimized. In GeoCinema also keep it on optimized mode. It will decrease the heating issue and also increase the battery life. Next you can see that battery health is here. Like Apple, you can now see the battery life and the battery health of your smartphone. It will decrease over a period of time, so keep it enabled, optimized battery life. It will keep your battery healthy and will give you a long lasting battery life in the future. So these are some settings, and also you should clear all the recent apps, because if you have too many apps in the background, it will run continuously, and as a result of which your phone will be heat up. So follow these steps, then I think your battery problem will be solved, and also you will not face any kind of heating issue. However, in this summer you will feel the battery in normal temperature, so it is not a matter of concern. Try these simple steps and let me know after some days if you have problem or not, or you are getting any kind of remedy or not. Feel free to ask me if you have any questions regarding T3 5G. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. I have made a review video on T3 5G after the latest update, so if you are interested on that video, you can check out the description and watch that video to have a good idea if you are planning to buy this smartphone, namely Vivo T3 5G. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.